Ebusha for my mama Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesro like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusha for Adeba Kuse say very obvious, pretty obvious nene say. NDC for are becoming humble. And they are not becoming humble out of omuamu choice. And I say omuamu encounters. They are becoming humble because they are beginning to realize the promises they made to Ghanaians, most especially almost star program muka say policy 24-hour economy no idea be adani an albatross on their neck. Yeah. 24-hour economy no adani an albatross on their neck. Omuhu ya ka. But I asem so my carry ma to hunyo. Oh, the asempa na bo. 24-hour economy. Oh, the asempa na bo. Sempa na bo. 24-hour economy. And the biasum. And the your radar. Any sound recorders are more very, very secret places. Actually say there is some consideration being done. And the consideration that is being done, Ebusha, what say, assembly say there, aha number 10 of first. Aha, and what no aha, and tina Ghana and Sam no. Ghana and Sam, baby, a cameras near sound recorders I want no, in Sam my eye no. Unyano will block the azo. Yeah, Unyano will block the azo. That's why you people love us, and yes, sir. And we love you also, our viewers so much. We love and appreciate you. And then we love and appreciate you. We love you. Now, I'm going to say right? And one of the biggest considerations, I bear a plot twist in this NDC government, and is they are considering continuing the one district, one factory. Akufo Addo's brainchild, one district, one factory. No, from what we are hearing, NDC are saying if there is going to be anything close to the kind of policy omu promise Ghana for one job, 3 people, 3 shifts now. And omu here factories. Because unya manufacturing factories you can get them to work 24 hours, 7 days in a week. And you can get people to do 8-hour shifts. 8-hour shift just say obibekwa no pa obeko we obeko najo. That is the only alternative. Now, if that is the only alternative, are they going to be humbled enough to agree or tell Ghanaians to the face, say, one district, one factory of Akufo that we are continuing? Because already, there are some policies almost starting now, kind of saying, and now implement here. Those policies, NPP policies, but they are changing names. Like if we say Feed Ghana, say, now you're planting for food and jobs under NPP. Almost say Feed Ghana. And other things. Okay, I say now I'm called Elanche youth in community mining. And I say responsible community mining other NPP, they are changed the name and we're going to implement it or we're going to launch it all over again. And the unfortunate helicopter issue happened. And these are the tips and the I kind of say the hints I pick it from corridors of power. So let's see how it goes, because Omuni one district, one factory template now. Omuni. And so they might attempt to implement it, but they will fail at it woefully. Unless maybe they will be humble enough to go to NPP for and go and ask for the blueprint and go and ask about how to even generate money for the districts and the factories, what kind of factories. Because the only time NDC4 came close to building a factory, Commander Sugar Factory, now it means say, build a factory, bra, baby, raw material, grana, or money provision for that. NDC, no. NDC, no. The more you hear about NDC for the way they manage this country, the more you wonder how they managed to come back to power. That's almost sneaky on way through to power. They lied their way through. And that is the only thing that could have made them come to power. Because any lies no the anka pass yanka no crazy anka jumano records anka say NDC for over 32 years no so they have nothing to show for it. Nothing. NOTHING, nothing to show for. NDC no. Ebusian for still epamucho mumboy na yen raise the face of our production through studio contributions, donations, no. Number no was screen so with me boy Kitwa, right? Kindly help us as we do it. And we'll be proud. We'll all be proud of how far we have come as a family.
We sit in Ashanti region for some people to come and tell us stupid things, stupidity, and we do not go out and vote. Back at their own backyard, they had... Well, I thought you finished. Sorry, you can go on.
Let me just finish. Jatana amamin kasa krama bibia kama yi. For what I'm saying is Jata sabana. We are me no be kasa back door. Why? You be kasa, don't worry. So the mema ko no akasa. Why? Why? Inti so my kwana men kasa kakra. Why? Mate. Platform the audio. Don't worry. Inti Jataba, what I'm saying is fair share of the national cake in the waka. That is a brilliant idea. But Odo Hobeshemu said, Jataba, one kasana, just put yourself in the shoes. It's a national cake, votarians. When they have faith in a particular party, say, omo bar 90%, over 90% vote. Omo the mama say, Mire Shenkrofu wemu, so omo bar a life, a bit massasa. Now, ma be this war for so many years. From the time I've been seen, they are still crying for certain basic things. That is what I'm saying, sir. Vote and yes, Asante region needs, yes, because some a bigger way Accra, you cannot compare Accra development to voter. But looking at the percentage of growth in terms of voter, anything share abai we are expecting that some basic things be over and some life, most of them moving from voter to Kumasi Accra, it should be reducing for now. I just watched an interview and a video by one district, one factory for about reporting. Jataba NPP actually wanted to help with the votarians by putting kind of factories not the factories was over 3,000 employment was supposed to come. I do 90%, over 90% completion. The transition of free vote and not back it will reduce. At least they will get something to do. And this is for and the same people who were voting for them and the people were complaining, say they should have at least the 10% now they should finish it and get the job for the people to do. And confirm voting more, they will do something for you to expand your life, say a bit mama cost you. And then Kofune say, why are they not doing that particular factory? They found for 3,000 work. I'm going to my Juma moment. I go to go no mobush and for the mom life na better. Now they've halted it and says, "Oh, cancel one district, one factory. No more the 24-hour economy." And the contractors who built those factories, they've even approached the government 3 times. On 3 occasions, said, for factory, machines let's finish it and give the job to people to do. Almost they are using it for 24 hours, 24-hour committee when they come home. The people even advise, why don't we incorporate this particular factory into the 24-hour economy? You see, it was just recently now. Mameno, Edwin said no, they all can answer until they have to revisit decision on Mumeki say one district, one factory, revisit biome to bring it back. Look at the things that we are talking about. In the Jatapa say, Obipa no kase. Some people are deprived of the things that are going on. Obipa won't no. He is not thinking about the vote that you are not giving him, but drink Ghana development. You are supposed to think about the Ghanaian development. No, and to know the factories are or do you just to make sure say movie every time be a man sorry free ukrom homba kumase and buy a crango dia. Let me put a factory here for you. O say that be that more motor about more they've cancelled it and they want to make you disadvantaged. Say oh they will still now depend on their something.
Past 8 years and the thing was completed and it's been abolished or what's up?
Oh, they
He said it's not completed. It's almost completed.
Maybe I'm natural. They from their own math and no more casa. And the nipa na odimi yeah head of the when see factory no. Mekai watermelon factory no so sa. I don't know say Jataboy aware of the watermelon factory now. Or almost see or honor. They are even saying it is over 90% completed. A bit of a man of They cancelled it.
Where is the factory? Where?
Northern region side no.
Where side? Which side?
Not the
you see
that on a land that see and now she was also much.
You see, you people, you can't stop lying.
But mami video and show I remember. Oh, can't lie no.
Video ne de wale. So also
not the wa.
That's all.
Say not.
Do your research. That's all.
And you're not.
Yeah, not. My video no more akakakra no more wie no.
I say video bi ni say. Ayo
video ni ho. On boy so
Asa ope video ahwe ko YouTube ho.
Ma nini njina pepepembra. Wakofa ambulance abobo ya we ya breye. How nti ye okay wo krum ha. Na obenya antobra ti bonkosufo e support sa ade fun we wo support. Na sebi wo mame wo be allow say yemfa wo mame nkoto abobo ya mu say e ambulance. Unia wo be allow unia say onko fro abobo ya as an ambulance. But NDC aban na de bayent no wa ya abofo eno anu no we should accept it. Say nanado na de baye dia wa ye devil wa ya brofo obi a odi obako school for 8 years went to ateku ene nkwala to BC registration enso so aban papa na teso. Say nya atwon ene ye okrum ha abro ene otan ene ye okrum ha anka den na obi di obako school free won to registration fee sa ban no wo si obo abro wo ye kronfo na the real kronfo na kasa na tisu isisi ampo no wo di 90 billion se wo di akodua ko nsusu a wo hia o ye sin no ma akwa me ka kire ndisi ni bia o ka kire me se omadua ko nsusu na no ma bewe dia ene te se nyame abode na omu feedi omu na eno anu no ndisi ni na kasa asem kire me na kire se wuti krom locality you're in your locality with such people you cannot develop to me dwene intellectual brain omu no ohun se wo odwan bi ba me so me hu se sa nipa na okasa nso no wo head school omu ye enim difo omu ko school pa na kasa o kasa akwalampo kasa asem no just because wasi me ye NDC ni wati ho yati ni koko so eye ni ya inwardly internally no eye ni ya say koko no yati so enso opie ba ye nchen no yati so world market na world market price mu de ye campaign ana and yes abisa say many aba
but you see mommy why
me de ma no se no me say de NDC aban oye wo krom ha no who say time na sabi silence sa culture of silence no enye dwuma okrum ha enu na omde wini power enti the same thing na yesu ye be den ye be ye obia omo achichi omo bia say no makasa ti aban no hwe saa de no ye besre omo ntwa so enti saa omo de oye ne eba krum ha because ade bia omo ye edit ya bia no omo kan ho say NPP anye ye kra no nipa 4 million eto abama NPP na se nipa 4 million eto abama NPP na se sa nipa 4 million say omo tie street no so aye demonstration you can imagine what this country will be. Omo dwini nioma bi nkwa kire yesre omo security oman security na omo tutu na ase.
Matime da se.